This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Clean and neat and ready to move into. This 3-bedroom home features an inside laundry room, 3 spacious bedrooms, a large den area, recent interior paint and loads of storage space. The backyard is fenced and has no rear neighbors. The home is in walking distance of Valencia's East Campus and 15 minutes away from UCF. In addition, the home is near shopping, and all major roads. If you are looking for a convenient location to everything and are looking for a 3-bedroom home, this should be your first stop. For more information, review the details below.